Sec Manny, ito ilang beses nang na-delay yung pagsasagawa po dyan sa may EDSA. Meron na po ba tayong actual
Ayun.
date kung kailan po sisimulan itong EDSA rehabilitation? At ano po ba, northbound, southbound? Ano pong bahagi ang uunahin?
Uunahin namin siya is actually dito sa may Pasay to after Guadalupe. Yung section na yan muna para in time for the ASEAN meeting. Yun ang gagawin namin northbound and southbound. Pero
Opo.
there are segments actually na pwede din namin umpisahan na southbound mula Caloocan. Magsisimula kami ng Caloocan. And today, we are going to finalize actually yung traffic management scheme together with MMDA and Department of Transportation because of their busway.
Okay. Pero
Today we are going to finalize it.
Opo. Pero Sec Manny, ito pong binabanggit nyo na uunahin dyan sa may Guadalupe. Kailan po ito magsisimula?
Just after na mapag-usapan namin yung traffic management scheme today, yeah. Then siguro we probably estimate ko lang baka by next week baka pwede na kami mag-start.
Okay po. Ang uunahin po ba natin dun sa sinasabi ninyo, northbound or southbound po?
Northbound and southbound.
Sabay po, oo, sabay na po ito. So most probably, pagkatapos pong ayusin itong traffic management na ngayon po ninyo pag-uusapan, by next week, most probably po ang simula nito?
Most likely, most likely.
Opo,
Most
and then,
likely.
opo. Gaano ito katagal, sir, na by segment at ano po, paano po, pagkatapos po ng segment na ito, tutuloy na ho ba ang kabuuan, paano pong plano?
Tutuloy namin dito sa southbound muna, Ted.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we will concentrate dito sa southbound muna. And siguro by 2026, dito naman siguro kami if we have the space and the time. Kasi nandyan yung ASEAN meeting actually in 2026. Siguro dito sa bandang Caloocan to Cubao, muna yung gagawin namin dito sa 2026.